Hello friends, in previous video we learned how to find cube root of perfect cube number. Today we are going to learn how to find cube root of non-perfect cube number. So don't wasting any time, let's see how to find cube root of non-perfect cube number. Let's see the formula. Cube root of a cube plus or minus b is equals to a plus or minus b upon 3a square. Let's see example. Suppose we have to find cube root of 127. So we have to split 127 in form of a cube plus b. First we have to check 127 is not perfect cube number. So we split this 127 in such a way that 127 is close to perfect cube 125. So we split 127 in such way that is 125 plus 2. Here 125 is cube of 5. So now cube root of 127 we write in the form of cube root of 5 cube plus 2. That means this is now in this form, cube root of a cube plus b, where our 5 is our a and 2 is our b. Now using the formula this, that means a plus b upon 3a square, 5 plus b, where b is 2 upon 3 into a square. What is a? A is 5, so square of 5 means 5 plus 2 upon 5 square 25, 25 into 3 75. After that 5 plus the value of 2 by 75, that means 2 is divided by 75 is 0.0266. After that add them, so 5.0266. so the cube root of 127 is equals to 5.0266. that means nearly equals to 5.027. Let's see another example. That is example number 2. Now we have to find cube root of 509. Again we split 509. We know 509 is not perfect cube number, so split 509. 509 is nearly close to 512 cube number, so 509 is split in this way, 512 minus 3. Here we know 512 is cube of 8 minus 3. Again, now this is in this form, that means a cube minus b. Here 8 is a and 3 is our b. So using the formula a, that means 8 minus b means 3 upon 3 multiplied by a square. Here a is 8. So 8 minus, here 3 and 3 get cancelled. So 1 upon square of 8 is 64. That means 8 minus 1 upon 64. The value of 1 upon 64 is 0.0156. After subtraction, that means subtract 0.0156 from 8, we get 7.9844. Therefore, the cube root of 509 is equals to 7.9844, which is nearly equals to 7.984. Thanks. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click bell icon. Thank you for watching.